Jakarta, Bernama, the Anak Krakatau volcano, which last erupted in 2018 and triggered a tsunami which took hundreds of lives, started spewing out ash and smoke again Friday, April 10 night. According to a statement from the Indonesian Center for Volcanology and Geological Disaster Mitigation, the eruption at 9:58 p.m. saw the volcano spewing out ash and smoke with plumes as high as 500 meters. The center said the volcano was categorized at status level 2, and residents in surrounding areas not allowed within a 2 km radius of the crater. On December 22, 2018, more than 400 people died as a result of an eruption that caused part of the mountain to cave in, as well as an undersea earthquake which triggered off a tsunami. Bernama.